Detoxing has become a popular trend in recent years, with many people looking for ways to cleanse their bodies and improve their overall health. Whether you're looking to kickstart a healthier lifestyle or just want to give your body a break from processed foods and toxins, there are plenty of ways to detox effectively. Here are 7 of the best detox tips to help you feel rejuvenated and refreshed. First and foremost, it's important to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential for flushing out toxins and keeping your body functioning properly. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and consider adding lemon or cucumber slices for a refreshing twist. Herbal teas and coconut water are also great options for staying hydrated while detoxing. Next, focus on eating whole, nutrient-dense foods. Fill your plate with plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins to give your body the vitamins and minerals it needs to detox effectively. Avoid processed foods, sugary snacks, and fried foods, as these can hinder your body's natural detoxification process. In addition to eating well, consider incorporating intermittent fasting into your detox routine. Intermittent fasting involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, which can help improve digestion, regulate blood sugar levels, and promote weight loss. Start by fasting for 12 to 16 hours overnight, and gradually increase the length of your fasting window as you become more comfortable with the practice. Another important aspect of detoxing is getting plenty of exercise. Regular physical activity can help stimulate the lymphatic system, which is responsible for removing toxins from the body. Aim to incorporate a mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises into your routine to support your body's detoxification process. Yoga, in particular, is a great way to promote detoxification and relaxation. In addition to exercise, consider incorporating dry brushing into your daily routine. Dry brushing involves using a natural bristle brush to gently exfoliate the skin and stimulate the lymphatic system. Start at your feet and brush upwards towards your heart, using long, sweeping motions. Dry brushing can help improve circulation, reduce cellulite, and promote detoxification. Another effective way to detox is to sweat it out in a sauna or steam room. Sweating is one of the body's natural ways of eliminating toxins, so spending time in a sauna or steam room can help speed up the detoxification process. Just be sure to stay hydrated and listen to your body's signals while in the heat. Finally, consider incorporating mindfulness practices into your detox routine. Stress can have a negative impact on your body's ability to detoxify, so finding ways to relax and de-stress is essential. Meditation, deep breathing exercises, and journaling are all great ways to promote relaxation and support your body's detoxification process. In conclusion, detoxing is a great way to give your body a fresh start and improve your overall health. By staying hydrated, eating well, incorporating intermittent fasting, exercising regularly, dry brushing, sweating it out in a sauna, and practicing mindfulness, you can support your body's natural detoxification process and feel rejuvenated from the inside out. So why not give these 7 detox tips a try and see how they can help you look and feel your best?